much for tuning in. Of course, I am Darnaya Darice. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And do you hear that? Stop interrupting me, okay? No, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you can get notified anytime that I post a video. Well, today I'm going to be unboxing some products here. I'm going to try this on my daughter. My youngest daughter does have some slight eczema, and so she some products don't really gel with her skin, her scalp, and things like that. So I'm actually going to be unboxing Reagan Sanai products. And if you haven't heard of Reagan Sanai, if you do follow Hazel Goddess, shout out to her. She put me onto this. I watch her videos sometimes on natural hair, and she used this on her daughter, and I used her code Malia to get these. So it's a travel pack. I didn't get they have I Want It All pack, and it's always out of sale when I try to go. So I just got the travel pack, and it looks like this. Okay, this is what came in. All right. I love this little bag here. I'm probably gonna keep this and repurpose it for and once these products run out, repurpose it for some hair bows or something. All right, guys, so it comes with the 10% coupon. Woo woo! So I will be using it, okay? But I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this part, and then you'll get to see me styling my daughter's hair. But the products, I unboxed it here. You'll see me putting it on, showing it to you on the screen. It comes with the black soap shampoo. It comes with the avocado and banana deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, growth oil, curl defining gel, a twist and souffle, and a refreshener spray. My favorite out of this line, I have to say, is their deep conditioner. It's the avocado and banana. That is my absolute favorite. I tried it on my daughter's hair who have eczema, and it was amazing. It brought great shine. It detangled very well. It was had my daughter's hair very silky and soft, and so that was my favorite out of this line. I will be buying again and using it again, but these products work awesome on my daughter. She usually, other natural hair products, it itches her hair. She scratches it quickly. As soon as I put it on, it's like, oh, it itches. But this line is great if you have sensitive skin. So keep staying tuned, keep watching. Alright guys, so this is how my daughter's hair is looking. Look at the shine that deep conditioner left off. And my daughter's hair is curly. Now her hair is best to do while it's wet. If you can see, it kind of gets a little silky when her hair is wet. You want to say hi, Danielle? Hi. Alright, and so now we're going to go in and style with the other products and see how it does. But I'm loving the products so far. Alright, stay tuned. Let's get to styling. So I'm gathering everything I need. She did want some beads for this hairstyle, so I'm doing some twisties in the back and cornrows in the front, and it's gonna have some beads throughout her hair, small, medium, and jumbo beads. Okay, so you're gonna see me put some leave-in conditioner. Now the leave-in, the bottles, these products came in, some of them was a little bit hard to get out. I was getting frustrated because, you know, while you're doing your hair, your hands get slippery because of the grease and everything. So keep that in mind if you do decide to order these products, especially the travel pack. They're very small, so just keep that in mind. On my kids' hair, I like to do them as precise as possible. So you see me, like I said, putting them into sections. back here I kind of did in like triangular parts.
She was loving it. I'm adding the beads now. If you don't know how to add beads, it's pretty easy, guys. Just put the beads on this little thing that come with the bead. If you buy packs of beads, it usually, the tool you need, it usually comes with it. You slide the beads on, put the hair through the little hole, fold the hair up, and then slide the last bead down and wrap it around with the rubber band. So it's pretty easy. If you want a tutorial on that, just let me know. But alright, so I'm going in with refreshener spray because the hair started to get dry just a little bit, so I'm just adding that. And yeah, so stay tuned so you can see how the style ends up and how it's looking all together. Alright guys, this is how the style came out. She is loving it. Thanks so much for watching. She wanted to give a special goodbye.